sitting around for quite some time, but I finally got an order. We've got a stack going to the same person. This is going to be Black Rock Coffee and IHOP. $15 going 5 miles. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next order just came in. We are going to Victor Rico's. This one is going to be $9.50 going 5.5 miles.
Our seasonal pozole is now available. All the flavor and spicy is all in.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Got this next order right away. It's going to be a shop and deliver for alcohol. $8.50 going 2 miles, 2 items.
There were no pickups. If you have your... Please remember.
I knew it came in a bottle and I knew it came in a box, but since when does wine come in a can? Got it, and then just scribble on that line for me. I got this order before I even pulled out of that last drop off. This is going to be a shop and deliver for Safeway. $13 going 6 miles, only 1 item. I got the next order lined up right after this. It's going to be another shop and deliver for Safeway. I believe it's the same store. $12 going 5 miles, 3 items. Oh, of course it's upstairs. Say it with me now. It is always upstairs.
Let me see if I have some in the back. Give me
Oh,
a
that would,
second. Really
okay.
quick, okay?
Yep, thank you.
Unfortunately, I am out.
Nothing? Okay, cool. Thank you. I got the next order lined up right after this. It's going to be for McDonald's. $10 going 3 miles. All right, looks like they're giving me an add-on for this McDonald's. It's going to be $6 going an extra 1.5 miles. Yeah, sure. I'm just hoping that they're both ready at the same time. I have both of those.
Oh, you have both of them?
Yeah.
Wait, here's the first one.
Alright, honey.
This one is heavy. It's got 3 drinks in
Gotcha.
it, okay?
Thank you so much. It's a little heavy, so careful on the bottom. Yep, have a good day. I was kind of hoping for an alcohol order to pop up, but we've got this Starbucks instead. $9 and some change going 4.5 miles. Oh, they just gave me an add-on to it. $5 going 0. This might be going to an apartment complex, both of them. All right, never mind. They were taking too long. And I got this alcohol order instead. This is going to be $18 going 5 miles, only 2 items. And then just a scribble on that line for me.
Thank you.
Good enough for me.
Yay.
You as
Merry
well.
Christmas.
Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for alcohol. $15 going 5 miles, 5 items. Blue. And then just a scribble on that line for me. We've got a shop and deliver for Target. $12, 5 miles, 3 items. Surely there's not going to be a lot of last minute shoppers today, right? Surely. Yeah, not available.
That.
2 out of 3 items were out of stock. Plus the lines were huge. No longer worth my time. I think that's it for me. Current time is 11:42. Total is gonna be 111, but that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.